Hello my friends, welcome to Trading KS. Today is 9th of September 2023. So today is Saturday, we want to take a look at the global market because what happened in global, right, sooner or later will affect our local market. Okay, and we know that glove is trying to rebound, whether as for long-term sake, right, I said, I think 2 weeks ago, right, I said it already broken support. So most likely it's going down. But we got a small rally trying to rebound, but it haven't break through the major resistance yet. So we still have to wait, okay, whether the glove really can turn around. For now, we have to, for me, I wait and see. Because I don't jump in simply just 1-2 days rebound. I want to see long-term continuation pattern, then only I want to, okay, jump in. Okay. Before that, we have to take a look at the global market, which is very important now. Now it's very important because we see Friday, technology also dropping. Okay, we know technology is dropping, and we know Apple could be in trouble because China is slowly increasing their ban on iPhone. They are banning iPhone on this government server, right? High-level government server, I think. So slowly their retaliation to China, to US, banning TikTok, all these things, and the sanction, all these things, so it's intensifying. Okay, what happening, the trade war between US and this China, right? Disclaimer. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, one more thing. Our Zoom class, okay, will be on the English is 23rd of September, Chinese is 24th. Okay, so we skip 1 month, which is August. There's a lot of activity, a lot of holiday, right? So September and October, not many holiday, so we will have September and probably end of October also, so English will on the 33rd and Chinese will on the 24th, okay, 10:30 to 12:30, okay, 2 hours, okay. So you want to join, okay, WhatsApp me, if you already joined the Zoom class, you don't need to join anymore, because the Zoom class is the content is the same. If you already joined, okay, I have the video pre-recorded. Last time, we recorded the video last time. Okay, you can use the video for your this one review. You want to review, you want to refresh, what we talked about last time. Yeah, I can give you the link to the video. Okay, you just WhatsApp me, and you want to join the latest Zoom class, which is the September Zoom class. WhatsApp me. Make sure, okay, before you join, you need to be an auto profit course student. If you want to join, you're not an auto profit course student, you need to join the auto profit course first. Okay, and the content link is at the bottom. There's a form there for you to fill in. Okay, finish watching the 15 video training, the course video. Okay, and you need to have TradingView account, which is the software I use to see the chart, and also install Smart MCDX and Auto Profit, which is the indicator, or you can see we call it signal, okay. So to help you with your research, to enhance your power after you reach after you learn the 15 chapter videos. But the 15 chapter video is most important because it's the foundation. It's a kung fu that you need to learn. With the kung fu, with or without, okay, lightsaber, you are still very, very powerful. But with the lightsaber, you can enhance your power even stronger. Okay, I will give you the lightsaber on the Zoom class. Okay, so make sure, okay, don't miss it. But if you miss it, never mind. Next month also we will have. As I said, this year one, we will until October. Okay, after October, maybe we'll do one more for this year end. Okay, we'll do one more. Then next year, new fresh enrollment, okay, after the fresh enrollment, then we'll start again next year, maybe around February, March, we'll start again. So those who haven't joined this year, one still can join one, don't worry. You haven't joined this year, you cannot finish watching the video, okay, you are too busy, okay. You want to join the next year one, or the next year also we will have lah. Okay, maybe we start around February, March, onwards. January maybe we rest for one month. Okay, let's check out what is going on with the global market. Today very important. We want to see KLCI first, of course, local market first. KLCI, look at the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart is not so good. We have a dark cloud cover. Okay, this open. Okay, which is this open a little bit higher than the previous close, but it came down. But we can't call it actually a dark cloud cover because it didn't reach the 50%. Okay, it didn't close. It reached the 50%, but it didn't close at the 50%. So we cannot call it a complete dark cloud cover. But it do look like a dark cloud cover. Does it reach the 50%? Let me see. Yeah, you see 50% is here. It did not reach the 50%, but it's close to 50%. So this is a potential dark cloud cover, so you have to take note. Okay, dark cloud cover is a bearish sign. Okay, it's a bearish sign, but we cannot. It's not convincing. It's not a very convincing dark cloud cover. If it close up to here, okay, if it close up to here, more than 50%, okay, more than 50%, then we call it a dark cloud cover. But this is a potential look like dark cloud cover, but not very strong. Okay. For the weekly chart, okay, still looks slightly negative, slightly bearish. Look at the small cap, mid cap. Mid cap is bearish engulfing. Okay, for the weekly, bearish engulfing. This is not good. Okay, this looks like it's coming down. Means coming down. Potential coming down is much higher than going up. Okay, look at the small cap. This is dark cloud cover. Okay, so this is the how dark cloud cover should look like. Okay, this is how dark cloud cover should look like. Okay, it opened higher than the previous high, previous closing, and it closed below 50% of the previous candle. So this is a dark cloud cover. Okay, this is dark cloud cover. Okay, so this looks like it's more stronger It's coming back down very likely it's coming back down Okay. So this one KLCI, not really a dark cloud cover, but potential potential the negative is still much higher than the positive but it's not convincing a dark cloud cover yet Okay. And as long as so it's not a bullish sign I can say it it's a bearish sign more than a bullish sign means it's a negative sign. Much more a negative sign than a positive sign. Okay. Look at the sector, construction. Okay, construction slowly coming down. Look at the weekly. Okay, weekly. Okay, construction is not weak Maybe as I said, we got divergence maybe it will drop. But I think long-term construction and property is on its way up in the long term. Slowly. Consumer now flat a bit. After a breakout, it's flat a bit. Not to say it's finished, but it's slowed down. It's doing a consolidation. It's doing a sideways. How do you call it? The sideways retracement. Okay, sideways consolidation. Consolidation. Correction. Correction. Sideways correction. Okay, you see price goes up like that, right? It does not go straight up so these are part of it part of it. But as long as it did not drop below 554 okay, it's still on a flat pattern. Probably can break up or break down, habis break up, continue up so we still have to wait But you see the first step of year-end rebound already make so this chart already make the first step of the year-end rebound, which it broken out from the downtrend channel. Okay, starting consolidate. Once it have the momentum enough to break through this high here okay, then it should continue to go okay, energy. I think energy the head and shoulder after breakthrough the shoulder, it should come back to retest the shoulder. I mean the neckline. most of the time it will come back, so it might come back to retest, and most of the time also it will rebound from the neckline. So short term you have a retracement, but long term I think it's still got chance to go lah. Okay. Finance. Take a look at really. Okay, finance is still. Finance, okay, after it break out from this top here, is consolidating a bit. Finance, we got a, you see, we got a divergence here. So it cannot hold down, it cannot hold on the, keep on going up for long. Okay, it should come back and retrace a bit before it in the long term, I think it still got chance to go up. Okay, healthcare, okay, healthcare, we got okay, we got bearish engulfing yesterday. Okay, let's see the weekly. Okay. Weekly we got a pin bar, okay, which is also not good. Okay, we got a pin bar. Okay, not to say classic pin bar because it end up green, but it's still nonetheless it's still considered pin bar. Okay, this is still considered pin bar. A pin bar, okay, with a tail on the top normally is a down sign, right? A pin bar with a tail at the bottom is a up sign, right? So this one still considered a down sign for me. Okay. And you see the price exactly, you see 1 week exactly at the neckline, push down. Second, it went through the neckline again, being pushed down from this area, which is exactly the small head and shoulder neckline. So it rejected it for 2 weeks in a row. Okay. Industry we know is slowly recovering on its way up. Plantation cannot coming back down. Property, we know the property is very strong, but don't chase in now, it's too late. As I said, you miss the property boat, you miss the construction boat, don't matter, don't need to chase in last minute and the FOMO chasing high, all this, there's no point. Okay, wait for the next sector to go up. Year end, likely there is a potential push on the consumer. Okay, you can say all this thing Bonia Patini, Aeon all this no guarantee but potential because year end people spend money people get bonus people got holiday people go celebration all this beer people go drinking people go genting so all this you have to watch out I'm not saying they will guarantee go like last year I take picture at the Padini store, people lining up for the to test the clothing, all those things so we see a ton of people so maybe year end you go and see whether all the shopping mall is still full or not if the shopping mall is full, like Padini is full, Bonia is full, then you might consider looking at this. Then you need to see the chart to verify. Don't see full people or guarantee will go up. The chart doesn't go up, tell you that nobody is going to go ring, right? So you have to see the chart at least before you make the decision, right? Okay, property, see, overbought for so long. It won't hold on for overbought for so long. This is very, very good. You see, never hold on and overbought for so long. Never even about come back down. Now overbought for so long, but overbought normally it can stay there for so long. It will come down. It cannot like a whole year is overbought. Cannot. It already quite some time for overbought at the overbought area. Okay. July really started July 23rd until now overbought, so just recently only dropped below. I think it's coming on the correction. I'm not saying the property market is going to turn around, big drop. There will be a drop, but in the long term I think it's still on the uptrend path. Okay, REIT is still no momentum, sideways, still slightly going down. Technology, okay, I have to talk about technology. Okay, technology in trouble. After technology broken from 63, now we see a very, very clear path on a downtrend. Okay, very clear on a downtrend channel, which is bad for the technology. So if you're holding a lot of technology, you have to take note. Okay, so now we are seeing two top, almost a two bottom. So it's lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. So it's heading on a downtrend trajectory. Okay, and we've broken from the uptrend, and we also had a head. We're also having a head and shoulder, right? Okay, head and shoulder. So it broken through the shoulder, looks like it's coming down to probably to 60. Okay. Look at the path, look at the head and shoulder. Okay. Right, potential even 58. Okay, potential even 58. Yeah, 58 to 60 lah. It's heading down to this area. You have to take note. Yeah, okay. Have to take note. Telco nothing, just sideways. Transportation. Okay, so they broken down. Now we got a double top here. Okay, at the RSI potential, we will have a drop, but since already broken from the triangle, right? Okay, in the long term, it's still considered uptrend. Okay, now it got a correction. Utility, okay, it's just flying sky high, but already overbought for quite some time. I think sooner or later, it will start to drop. Okay, so let's look at the global. So before we continue, okay, don't forget to subscribe, okay, to subscribe, and don't forget to like, okay, to like the channel, okay, and share this with your friend. Leave your comment. Also, you want to open an account, okay, you want a good remisier, a good assistant, a good broker, you can try CGS-CIMB, one of the top platform in Malaysia. Can invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US stocks, so very convenient. If you want to play global, you have to tell the remiser when you open an account that you want to do global. And the link is at the bottom there. There's a link at the description area. You click more. There's link. There's CGS-CIMB. There's Luno. Both is legal one. Okay, approved by SC one. CGS-CIMB. Okay, you click, fill in the form, and submit. My friend, this remiser from CGS-CIMB will call you up and open an account online with you. So very simple, very convenient. Very convenient. Okay. So after that, you can start to trade or you can start to invest. Okay. So let's take a look at the global. Look at US dollar. Okay, US dollar getting very strong. I told you, okay, US dollar index is broken out from this channel. It retested the channel, rebound, so it's strong. So US dollar strong. Stock market normally is weaker. Okay. Look at Hong Kong Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng is still not much. It's still being rejected by this downtrend trend line, so it's still slowly going down. Okay, so Hang Seng, normally we use Hang Seng as a reference on the China and Hong Kong so China also shouldn't be doing too well also okay. Australia sideways. Okay, sideways. Okay, it's not strong, not big. UK FTSE, we know that it's slowly on a downtrend path. Okay, slowly on a downtrend triangle. Look at DAX. German is just flat. Okay, German is still flat. Okay, after big breakout, now it's just flat. Okay. US semiconductor index, so it came back and test the bottom channel. So it's best not to drop below the bottom channel, which is here. Okay. 3440. If it drop below 3440, then we also will have a slanting, something of a slanting head and shoulder. Okay, if it drop below here, it could drop to the 2008 area. So we have to wait. So this support at 3440 is very important. Okay, Nasdaq similar. Okay, Nasdaq also the support at here is very important. Okay, the support at 14,726. Okay, if we drop below, we got another head and shoulder. Okay, we got another head and shoulder. Okay, so probably it might come back to this area. Okay, this is this area. Okay, 13,000 area. Might even drop lower. We have to see but as once it's broken, we know that it's a downtrend. So this is also we got another head and shoulder here. If we drop below 4325, then potential we got head and shoulder. You drop even lower. Okay, So now, for now, what we see, okay, for Nasdaq, lower high, okay, you have to take note, semiconductor index, lower high, so it's no longer making higher high, so there is a first sign of a reversal down, okay. I'm not saying this is a downtrend, okay, at least of a correction downward, okay, means a retracement downward, okay. Okay, you see all making lower high, okay. Look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, like I said, I already drawn here 20,000 potential. I'm waiting for a drop to the 20,000, even lower if US goes into a recession. Okay, so Ethereum same thing we slowly coming back down Litecoin also, Litecoin with potential 42. SRP also, we are waiting for a drop to 0.30. Look at commodity, aluminium. Okay, aluminium still sideways here. We got head and shoulder. It cannot break above the head and shoulder neckline. Still stuck here, not moving, not going up, not going down. Still, okay, still potential. We got a short-term rebound. Okay, because China data now seems to be slightly better, and China is trying to stimulate the economic growth. So if China get positive economic growth, still might have the demand for steel might go up a bit, so there is a potential of a short-term rebound on the steel and metal product on the global market. Okay, FCPO just got stuck, got rejected by the top channel. Looks like it's going nowhere. Copper also got rejected at the top channel. Looks like it's coming down. Copper come down, not good for technology. As I said, as you know, technology use a lot of copper. Okay, gold. Okay, gold. Now we can see it's on a downtrend trajectory. Okay, it's gonna downtrend path. Okay, so do take note, unless it can break through. Okay, it can break out of this, then potential. And you see we got a head and shoulder. We have to take note. We have a head and shoulder. Okay, so it broke the neckline. It came back, retest the neckline. Looks like gold is coming back down. Okay, gold, if we get a very low, if gold potential head and shoulder. Okay, come back to 1,007 will be a very good price. If it drop back to 1,007 will be very good price to collect some gold. Silver, okay, silver also, we got a kind of head and shoulder, but this is not a very convincing head and shoulder. But it did look like, let me see, it did look like it's on a downtrend trajectory. It looked lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low. Okay, so I think slowly it's coming back down to probably 20. 18, I think 18 difficult for silver, but 20 I think maybe can. 20 can consider. 18 is the best. If we can go down to 18, it's good chance to buy some silver, I think. Look at crude oil. Okay, crude oil higher high, but the problem is near 90. There is some kind of small divergence. There is a divergence here. Okay, so unlikely it will go to. I think unlikely the global market will let it go to over 90 for crude oil. Then the Brent oil should not go to 100. If Brent oil can go to 100, right? Okay, go above 100 and crude oil go to 100. I think the inflation is going to rocket again. Okay. Then the interest rate is going to go up. Everything going to go up again. Prices going to go up. Interest rate going to go up. Everyone will suffer again. Okay. Look at US stock, Apple. Okay, Apple got a rebound after big drop. So a lot of people buying FOMO last minute, trying to buy a cheap Apple. But you have to know, right? Okay, this might not be the lowest. It might even drop lower. Okay, because China is trying to ban usage of Apple on the high level. I think in high level, this government server. So slowly, China have, I think, the market is reporting that China is planning to extend more ban on this iPhone. This is bad for iPhone because China is one of the biggest market for gadgets, for all these technology gadget. China is one of the biggest market. So now we have a lower high already. So it's starting on a downtrend trajectory. Okay, so you do take note. It might slowly continue to drop. Okay, but there is a support from this trend line over here. It might not drop very low but potential it might drop back to here, 161. Okay, 161 because we got a downtrend channel. Okay, it might drop to this area before it find a support. So you really found a support here 171. You see it's still stuck here. Like it might just stuck here, or even it might rebound back. But for now, we consider this on a downtrend. For now, okay. AMD. Okay, AMD is a consolidating downtrend. So as long as stay inside this triangle, right, we still consider it on a path, on a downtrend path until it break out. Okay, so it's on a downtrend path. Broadcom. Okay, Broadcom really make a double top here. Double top, you can see, right? Triple top actually. Sorry, not a double top. Triple top. Here one, here one, here one. Okay, so once it break below here, means it's a break through the neckline. Okay, once it's broken through the neckline, it will be bad. Okay, if it boost slightly, it will continue to drop. Okay, the neckline is a 824. Once it drop below 824, you have to be very careful. Okay, means we might continue down. Amazon. Okay, Amazon also price going up, but you see RSI is keep on getting lower and lower. Okay, so this is a retrace. This is potential is heading towards a retracement not a downtrend okay, in a retracement means it's coming back down, correction. So probably will come back to test this trend line, this uptrend trend line. Okay, 121 to 111 and 121 area Alibaba. Okay, Alibaba, I said after it did not drop below this head and shoulder, but it's not making big wave, but it's slowly, it's slightly positive, but I don't think it can hold on very longer. RSI below 50. I do think if you go sideways only, nothing much. Okay, Google also, okay, divergence, so it keep on going up. RSI keep on getting lower and lower. I think sooner or later, once it break this trend line, this uptrend trend line, it will start to retrace back down to 122 or 115. Grab still nothing, or still in the sideways area. Intel still going up. Okay, Intel is one of it. I said Intel already reached a bottom. It is slowly going back up. You see now, okay, from the bottom rebound, even all the other market coming down, Intel is slowly coming back up because Intel different. Intel is at the bottom. AMD, all this is at a high. Okay, so they cannot maintain at a high for a very long time. It's starting to go down. But when they are on the high, Intel is just starting to reverse up only. So Intel still got leg to, probably still got some leg to go Okay. Intel, no matter how you count, you trying to count out Intel is still the one of the top chip company in the world Okay. Facebook, okay, Facebook already trying to make lower high. If it start to drop below red color momentum to 50 potential, I think is starting to slow down also. Microsoft, okay, Microsoft also potential making a lower high, uptrend channel already broken, so it might test the trend line and start to come down. You see the red color already less than 25, so unlikely it can keep the upward momentum. Micron just buy bottom channel, sell top channel, still consistent. Micron is still consistent. Okay. Nvidia, okay, Nvidia is struggling. You see RSI no more making higher high, lower high, red color also starting to drop. Okay, so it's still making price still making higher high, but RSI no more making higher high. I don't think it can stand there for, it can hold on for much longer Okay, the first sign will be a break below 439. A break below 439 will be the break below, probably below this channel, will be the sign for it to starting to come back down. Okay, from the moon, I really fly to the moon now, probably come back down to the outer atmosphere of the earth it will not come back to the ground because Nvidia, now people value Nvidia, right? All these analysts think Nvidia is going to fly even higher, but not now. Later it might continue to fly again. Tesla, okay, Tesla we have a correction, but it's still in the uptrend channel. Tesla is no mean finish yet. Okay, as long as stay inside this uptrend channel, it will might even rebound from here, even go higher. Because now Tesla is very aggressive. Tesla is very aggressive against all the newcomers. They are reducing their price on their old model, okay, which they want to phase out. Then the new model all came out at a lower price, so they are trying to kill off competition. Kill off all the competition. So they are very aggressive. Zoom, okay, Zoom just hold long term like ARK Invest, ARK Invest bought a lot of Zoom, at this low price. Okay, did they buy at the lowest? No. Okay, but they know they are buying at a low price, they don't care. Okay, they will slowly average here, average there, or long term, right? When it rebound, they will harvest, right? Okay, so okay, look at bank. Visa is still climbing up because interest rate is still high. Other than that, all the bank don't need to see. All the bank get very bad. The credit rating is in question. A lot of these big bank, even this global research house, okay, they potentially they are going to reduce this credit rating for all these US bank. So it's not good for them. Okay. But the bubble already passed already. Looks like the bubble where all the bank collapse thing already passed already. No more. We don't see that kind of bubble anymore. Okay. Okay, so a good summary, a quick summary. Okay, US, all these top technology company looks like it's making lower high. Okay, a potential reversal, short-term retracement downtrend. Look at the US big index. Okay, big index also starting to do the similar thing, lower high and some head and shoulder kind of thing. So it's not positive lah. I don't see positive or at the high. Okay, possible or the slowly or the reversal downtrend, or at least a short-term retracement downwards. Okay, so okay, so that's it. Don't forget okay, don't forget to do this okay, like the channel and subscribe. Okay, hit the bell, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.